Hey guys, we are here in my neighbor's shower because I don't have a glass shower. So came over to my neighbor's house and I am going to show you how quickly and easily we can clean the shower and the glass shower door with some of these Norwex supplies. This is the bathroom scrub mitt. Scrubby dubby on one side and soft and shiny for the other side. I'm going to use cleaning paste, and they don't use the shower very often because it gets so dirty and nasty, and they hate not being able to get the stuff clean off the door. So we're going to surprise them today, and I'm just going to show you real quickly how easy this is. So my scrub mitt's just a little wet. I'm going to get some cleaning paste on it and just start wiping the walls. Goes super, super quick. Get this all cleaned up. Love the bathroom scrub mitt because it makes your hand so much bigger. It makes it really quick and easy to clean here. You can see how clean that is now. I'm not going to clean the whole shower for you. I'll just bits and pieces. All right. Next thing that we're going to clean is the chrome. You can see the watermarks, how bad the watermarks are on that. And I am going to use the Spiri sponge and some cleaning paste and clean this off really quick. So the cleaning paste is awesome. We also have a descaler product, which is really fantastic, especially if you have really bad hard water buildup. The descaler is awesome. But the cleaning paste will do a really good job too. Use this scrub mitt to clean that off. More inside here. But I'm really not putting a lot of effort, just kind of scrubbing it a little bit. And make that chrome all nice and shiny. So essentially the soft side of this bathroom scrub mitt is kind of like an enviro cloth. So I'll just take everything right off of it. See that? It's all nice and shiny. All right, now I'm going to show you this bathroom door because I know this is the nemesis of most people. All right, there is a bathroom door there. There you go, you can see some spots. All right, so I am going to try to show you how quickly and easily this can come off. So again, because it's hard water, they don't have soft water, so it's hard water stains. We are going to use the Spiri sponge and some cleaning paste. The Spiri sponge won't scratch the glass. Just rub all over it. Down behind the handle. And along the edge here, you can see it. Like I need to get my sponge a little wetter and out of water power here. All right, so then do you do that? You would take your enviro cloth and just wipe that off. All that cleaning paste off of there. And then follow up with either your window cloth to give it that shine, or you could follow up with the handheld cleaning system, which is great because you get a lot more space covered at the same time to just use this one. Makes it really quick and easy. All right. I don't know if you can see the difference there. I can see a definite difference. I haven't cleaned the other side of the door yet, so the other side's still pretty dirty. But there you go. That was very, very simple. I'm clean this other side real quick. Very, very simple, quick and easy. Just take that cleaning paste and it's very sponge, and it just took all those watermarks right off the door. Super quick and easy. Use the handheld cleaning system and like 4 swipes and your door's clean. So I love that. Can't tell which side this one's on. I think it's on the back side still. Looking at the door now there. And you just give it that nice streak-free shine. Life is good. Yeah, I got a couple spots we need to get, but you can see that it's coming off very easily, not taking a lot of effort, and is being done very quickly. So, because she's my best friend, I'm going to finish cleaning her shower for you, but that will finish the demonstration for you guys. So enjoy your day. Bye bye.